before we will see the what is meant by system and what will be the different interconnections be present in the system. The first be the series or cascade interconnection, next be the parallel interconnection, and third be the series parallel interconnection, and fourth be the feedback interconnection. Now let's see the what will be the representation of system. Here also some representations will be present. Let's see in detail. The first representation be the state variable, and next be the differential equations, and next be the transfer function, and fourth be the impulse response. So this was the four type of representations will be present. Let's see the in general cases we are using in the control systems, we are encounter with the state variables as well as the that will be the transfer functions, right? How you can represent the transfer functions? Transfer function can be represented by the Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input. You will get the transfer function. That means that will be the C of S divided by R of S. Okay. And here the state variable also we can represent it by using the matrix form, right? There also we can see the different types. That will be the one be the observability, next be the controllability. Here also generally we represented in the matrix form. Okay, next, and one method also be present to solve the system, that be the differential equation method. Okay, from this method also we will solve the system analysis and system process. These differential equations we can generally see in the control systems, and as well as the in the mathematics point of view also we can solve this in the form of the system by the differential equation method. Okay, the main concept here be the impulse response. From here in this signal and systems, we always used this impulse response to solve the properties for the signals and systems. Okay, we are encountered with impulse response. From here onwards, we will see the some properties will be presented, and we can solve some problems for that properties. That properties be the very important for your GATE examination point of view. There will be a lot of questions they will be asked in that concepts. Okay, thank you.